there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I have got a huge limited edition beauty box to share with you. It is Glossybox and it's the Mother's Day edit. It's really heavy. It's full of fragrance related products. It has a value of £196, can be bought for £45. If you are a subscriber to the monthly Glossybox beauty box, then you can get £8 off. But if you're a non-subscriber, then you can also have £5 off if you use code MUM5. It says sent with love. And those are all the items in the box. This limited edition was released today. You'll find a link to it down below in my description, and you'll find all the discount codes and offers as well to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's start off with this one then. This is the huge Espa diffuser. I don't think I've ever had an Espa room diffuser before. This is a restorative aromatic rediffuser, expertly blended aromatherapy diffuser to rebalance and comfort. I can already smell it through the bottle. It has a scent of rose geranium, sweet orange and lavender, which soothe, while Palma Rosa restores harmony so you can tune out the noise and take on life with confidence. That sounds great. This is full size and it retails for £48. This is not too bad actually. It's getting there. It's like a wine bottle. There you go. Oh, it smells so nice. I love aromatherapy scents. It just smells of a gorgeous spa. Definitely very lavender, very geranium. And what was this? Sweet orange as well? No, I'm not very good with describing scents, as you know. But no, I love that one. Yeah, that is really, really nice. Really nice and uplifting. Oh my gosh, I don't want it to go everywhere. Ugh. No, I've just put it back. That's fine. So yes, you got a Reed diffuser by Espa. Love that. Next, you got perfume. This is Commodity. We see these quite a lot, don't we, in beauty boxes? More so, I think, Glossybox. We had one in the advent calendar, and we've recently had one in one of their either monthly beauty boxes or a limited edition, I can't remember now. But this is Commodity Juice. Scent Space Personal for me and the few I allow close enough to me. It's 30 mils, it's full size, and it retails for £68. Okay, what the bottle looks like. It's quite nice, isn't it? It's a nice design. Is it spray yet? Little spray. All right. Oh, I think I've smelt this one before. This is a fruity perfume. It's quite sweet as well. It smells gorgeous. It absolutely smells gorgeous. I'm not going to be able to describe to you, so I'll pop it up on the screen or I can find out what it smells like. Okay, I found out some information about this perfume online. It's a bright, fruity, softer type citrus that's not too sweet, apparently. Has top notes of grapefruit, orange and bergamot. Has heart notes of watermelon, rose and violet leaf. And base notes of sandalwood, musk and cedar. Hopefully that gives you a better idea about what the perfume is like. Then we've got another perfume. I can't get this one out, it's stuck. I love the presentation of this limited edition. We've got another perfume, and this is Sentier, and this is Monde-a-Part. I think that's how you say it. There's 10 mils here. This is deluxe size, and it is worth £31.52. Oh, very different. Very, very different, but in a nice way. I don't know if I've smelt this one before. Ooh. But it has a tinge of feet. What is that? I wonder if it's because I've got the Commodity Juice in the air as well, and the two are coming together and producing a slight smelly feet scent. It's not bad. It's just like me and my farm smelling perfumes, isn't it? It's like it's just the first thing that comes to my brain, and I have to tell you, maybe something herbally. Let me find out and see what it says about it. So it's smoky, earthy, warm and comforting. It has top notes of woody smoke and a slight herbaceous edge with a hint of something dry and mineral. It has heart notes of vetiver, green leaves and dry woods, and has base notes of musk, patchouli and soft resin. And they say it's more like an emotional type perfume. If I were to read that before I had a sniff, I'd be like, no, I'm not going to like that at all. No, not for me, not at all. So I'm glad that I have sniffed it before that, because it's not what I'd imagine it to be. It is very different to the commodity. That is, you know, juicy, fruity, citrusy. This is definitely more warmth and comforting, as they say. But it's quite nice as well. I don't normally go for perfumes like this, but it is a little bit different. Surprised with that one. Then we got another perfume, and this is Floral Street Electric Rhubarb Eau de Parfum 10 mils. This is a deluxe size, and you can buy them at this size for £29. I've already had a look online about what this says about this one. I have had one of these before, but the bottle was faulty. I couldn't get the perfume out. But look at the bottle, isn't it stunning? I love all Floral Street perfumes. Well, the designs of them. Some perfumes I like, some I don't. But I'm obsessed with rhubarb, especially rose and rhubarb beauty products, diffusers, perfumes, hand creams, namely Molten Brown. But I've got a funny feeling this one is not like that. I think this one has got a bit more of an edge to it. Yeah, it smells like wood. Wood shavings, that's the first thing that comes to my mind. They say that it's a juicy, punchy, vibrant, zesty, modern type perfume. It has top notes of rhubarb, touch of citrus and pink pepper, heart notes of green herbal facets and possibly floral and water elements. I should have gone onto the Floral Street website, shouldn't I? And not ChatGPT. Maybe I would have had a better description of these perfumes. And it has base notes of soft woods, musk and a warmth undertone. It's not syrupy sweet, and it's more energetic than cozy. Yeah, it's a nice perfume. I honestly can't smell rhubarb properly. There is a lot of smells going around in this room at the moment. But yeah, it's a nice one. And I've just noticed something. There's a card in here, look. It's got a full mum. It's probably got all the information I need in the QR code, isn't it? About all these perfumes, but never mind. Down here, we got a candle. This is by Gruum. And this is Lice or Lice. And it's a scented candle, 100% soy wax. This is full size and it retails for £15. 100% sustainable soy wax, paraffin free, long lasting up to 40 hours and handmade in England. Oh my gosh, the smell. That is so nice. It's called Fire Within, Lemongrass and Patchouli. Look. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. It's reminded me of something. I really, really like that. Then we've got a candle by Gruum. And then we have got, I think it's a headband. And this is So Eco. And it's a soft headband. This is full size and it retails for £4.99. A makeup headband. Very stretchy, very soft. You can always take the bow off if you want to. So there you go, those are all the items. In the Glossybox for Mum edit, it costs £45. It has a retail value of £196. It contains 6 products, 4 of which are full size, 2 are deluxe sizes. We've got 3 perfumes, a candle, a headband and a room diffuser. If you are a subscriber, you can get £8 off, but if you're a non-subscriber, you can get £5 off. You'll find all links and codes and everything listed down below, so you're welcome to take a look down there. But yeah, let me know what you think. Even if you think, nah, you don't rate it this year, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.